Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to do a very important video. It is important because every content creator requires it, the video editing. I personally believe CapCut is very easy for video editing and we can get lots of options in one platform. So we are going to simplify the CapCut features slowly. Firstly, I will tell all about the interface and slowly from basic we will go to advanced. We are going to discuss how we can trim or discard the unwanted clips from our video. But how to do simple things is hard to find, or we have to find it by ourselves. I will simplify it for you so you can save your time and go for video editing in a faster way. So let's get started. If you do like my content, please do subscribe. It will motivate me. Please hit the like button and comment down if you really like it. So now let's get started. Firstly, this is the CapCut interface. So today I will explain you some basic features about split, cut and delete. So now I will select this one. This is my video which I have to edit. So once you select this on this plus sign, you will get the video on timeline. And just from this interface will get loaded. From here we can zoom in, zoom out. Like this. It will increase the frame and so we can edit it very properly, because if in this you cannot see how many portion of exactly minute portion we can delete, but once you zoom it you can get each and every frame separate, so it will ease your editing process. So now let's start. I have zoomed it little bit. Now almost always the first initial few minutes we have to discard, because at that time we are setting our camera, our laptop and all the other stuffs. This is the cursor. This is very important, but I can drag it from here and it is very important part in CapCut. If I want to edit this portion and want to start my video from here, I have to drag this cursor here. From here, once it is on spot, we have the option of split. Its shortcut key is Ctrl plus B. We will split it. See, we have got two different videos. Now select on this and we can delete it from here. See, delete. Or you can also delete it from keyboard also. So I have started from here. So let's get started. Many a times our ending portion is also unnecessary. So I am editing it. If I am not getting how much portion I have to edit, I will zoom it. So it will increase the frame and I can identify accurately from which frame I want to edit the stuff. So after this, drag this and you will find the exact spot where you want to split. You can split the video in two parts where this cursor is there. If the cursor is here, these two portions will get into two parts. I have dragged this cursor here and I will split it. See, this portion I will delete it like this. From here we can freeze any frame. So if I want to freeze this frame, I will choose this option, freeze, and for that frame it will get freeze, so it will do not show any movement. This freeze feature is many a times used in TikTok videos or any kind of reels or any kind of video editing, so it is helpful in that content. Once you select the video, you can rotate the stuff like this. I have selected this timeline and I am rotating it. It will rotate like this. Now this is the resize feature or crop feature. If I select you have to select the timeline for which you are using these features. Like I have selected this timeline. You can choose any of its kind, like this. I am choosing this one, and I want to crop the upper portion of it. So I will choose this one, crop feature, and it will show like this. Now I have to drag it like this. I don't want this portion, or I want this portion. You can drag it that way, like this. It can go smaller also. And once I have done it, I have to click on confirm. So it will look like this. Okay. Now if you don't want this, you have done it, but now you are thinking no, the previous one was better. Now there is an option called undo. Ctrl Z is the shortcut of it. You can select the frame or timeline you want to do the editing for it, and you will choose this undo option. See, the previous one is get recollected. This mirror feature I will show in some another video. In this video you can't see it properly, so I am deleting this one. Okay, I will choose this video. I will choose this video on clicking the plus sign or just clicking on that video. Now in this video, see, I will split it. See, from the initial you can't split because you required certain portion so that it can get edited. So I am putting the cursor here and I will do a split. Now for this frame, I will do the mirror, like see this one. Now if I choose the mirror for this complete timeline or frame, it will change the angle. Firstly, it is going in this angle. Now it will change the angle. In many kind of videos, reels, YouTube shorts, the video is going forward. From the reverse, it will seem like it will go backward. See, I am selecting the reverse. Once it does 100%, you will see it. See, if I play the video, it will go in a reverse direction. Like this. Here is the ratio. Ratio refers to 16:9 ratio is of YouTube video, and 9:16 is of YouTube shorts. Likewise 4:3 is for Instagram, 1:1 is for Insta post or some kind of post. According to your use, you can choose the ratio. If this video is for my YouTube, I will choose 16:9. So it will come in this frame. You can scale it from here like this. Like this. In any frame, like if I want to zoom in this frame, first I have to split it. I will firstly drag the cursor here and will split it, and for this frame if I want to scale it like this, now I will play. See, this is the reverse feature we have used. Now it will come in zoom, as like we have selected this one, the scaling. You can. For remaining feature, I will come with another video. Please stay tuned, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.